CNBC's Rick Santelli. What do you make of all the action today? Wow, Rick.
Well, first of all, let's go through four charts real quick, and then I'm going to ask the panel a question. First one, he mentioned that strong 10-year auction. It certainly was. So from 1 o'clock Eastern to 1:26, we moved from 446 to 433. We dropped 13 basis points, and that was the catalyst for much more going on. The rest of the charts occurred from about 1:17 to 2:11 Eastern time. The 2-10 spread moved from 67 down to 39, dropped 28 basis points. Two-year note yields surged 35 basis points from 368 up to 403. And these Fed funds, from 118 to 211, they dropped 44 basis points and ended up settling down 27 basis points. And I love this panel. And everybody on the panel asked the one important question to Howard Lutnick. Are we better off after all this? Now I'm going to ask you, and I know the answer. Nobody at that table says yes. You know what I say? I ask you a different question. Who on the panel thinks globalism is stronger today than it was a week ago? Anybody?
Silence.
Anybody think globalism is in stronger hands today?
Nope.
No, of course not.
Because to me, that's the benefit. That's the benefit. You want to know the benefit? Globalism coming to an end. It wasn't fair to America in many ways. Trade deficits? Listen, I don't know how any of this stuff's going to turn out, and it's super messy. But in the end, there's no resets in a crisis. Everybody's bringing up past crisis. Next couple of days, historically, are down. You don't get resets in the Tide bot. You don't get resets in COVID. You don't get resets after a tech wreck. You don't get resets after the credit crisis in 08. You got to reset today. This is different.
How did we lose in globalism? I mean, can you explain that? Do we have enough time?
How did we lose in
Maybe
globalism? I don't want other countries to tell the U.S. what to do. Okay? I don't want one world, one government. And without that trust, without everybody kind of conforming to the same tune, without trust, you can't have free global trade. China doesn't trust us. We don't trust China. I mean, it's not really that hard to understand. Globalism had to come to an end. Otherwise, our nationalism has to disappear. And I, for one, I don't care if they call that populism. I call it patriotism. And there's many people that feel like I do.